In this video, I will show you how to enable NVIDIA DLSS. Launch the game and navigate to its settings menu. Once in the settings menu, find and click on the graphics option to access the graphics settings. Scroll through the graphics settings until you find the DLSS option. Toggle it on to enable DLSS for improved performance and graphics quality. The process of enabling DLSS may vary slightly depending on the game you're playing. Here's an example for enabling DLSS in Battlefield 5. Launch Battlefield 5 and open the graphics settings menu within the game. If DirectX 12 is not already enabled, you will need to enable it and restart Battlefield 5. Click on the Advanced tab within the graphics settings menu. If the DXR option is not enabled, toggle it on and restart the game. Once DXR is enabled, you can toggle the NVIDIA DLSS setting for enhanced performance. Finally, choose a level of detail for DXR reflections quality to further customize your graphics settings. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.